What an amazing noise. Join me with a Lamborghini Urus V8 engine, pumps out 641 horsepower from its superb V8 engine. The color is absolutely splendid. The way it's contours in a very matte color. It's beautiful ceramic. And if you could just see the carbon fiber bodywork just around here, and a beautiful kind of huge kind of wheels here with the black rims and the kind of grey clippers. And you can see that here, carbon fiber here, and it's the way the body just contours, absolutely amazing. It's the best, I think, SUV supercar. Shortly I'll be starting the engine for this monster. Starting the engine for this absolutely amazing car. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And if you accelerate the engine, you can hear the crackle boom, and then accelerates. Amazing noise. Boom. Wow. Lamborghini at its finest. Wow. Let's rev it up one more time. What an amazing noise. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you want more, please do subscribe.